Hi everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we will walk you through the ultimate invoice and client tracker spreadsheet. If you haven't grabbed your copy yet, you can get instant access through the link in the description below, so you can start managing your invoices and clients with ease. Before we move forward, I want to mention that some tabs are protected to keep the formulas safe and working correctly. If you ever try to make changes in one of these tabs, you'll see a warning pop-up appear. At that point, you can simply check the box, then click OK to proceed with editing, or press Cancel if you don't want to make changes. Now let's move over to the Setup tab, where you'll start by choosing your preferred currency from the drop-down menu. Next, you can enter your company name and all your company details, which will automatically appear on any quotes and invoices you generate. Also, you need to fill in your payment details so everything stays consistent and professional. Finally, list all your team members' names here. Once this information is entered, it's applied automatically across the entire spreadsheet, saving you time and keeping everything accurate. Now let's move over to the admin dashboard, which is fully automated and designed to give you a complete view of your business. Also, I want to mention that this tracker includes a navigation menu sidebar, which is available on all tabs. This makes it super easy to jump between sections, so you can access the exact area you need without scrolling or searching. At the top of the dashboard, you can select your reporting period by choosing a specific year and month, or you can leave it on all years and all months to load all data you've entered. Once your selection is made, the dashboard automatically filling in key insights across several sections. You'll see a financial overview showing your income, expenses, and overall financial health. The invoice status and performance section keeps track of all your invoices, showing which are paid, pending, or canceled. And finally, the tasks and deadlines section gives you a clear snapshot of everything that needs attention, helping you stay organized and on top of your workflow for the selected period. Next, let's take a look at the Annual Report tab, which is also fully automated. At the top, you can select the year you want to review, and the dashboard instantly updates to show a complete overview for that period. This tab provides a global breakdown of your monthly invoicing, so you can see exactly how your business performed month by month. It also includes financial summaries for the selected year, giving you a clear and comprehensive picture of your income, expenses, and overall performance, all without any manual work. Now, let's move on to the monthly report, which is fully automated as well. At the top, you can select the year and month from the drop-down menus, and the dashboard will instantly update. This tab gives you a detailed invoices breakdown table that's filled automatically, so you can see every invoice for the selected period. Above that, you'll find charts and summaries that provide a clear snapshot of your financial performance for the month. Everything in this tab is fully automated, giving you an effortless way to track, review, and analyze your business on a monthly basis. Next, let's explore the team and staff dashboard. Here, you can select any staff member from the drop-down menu, and the dashboard automatically populates all the related data for that member. You'll see a complete tasks and workload summary, interactions and communications that need attention, and any invoices that require quick action, all updated automatically. Also, this tab can be safely duplicated for multiple team members, so you can track everyone individually without affecting the original data, giving you a clear, real-time view of each person's performance and priorities. Now, let's move over to the tax summary dashboard, which is also fully automated too. All you need to do is select the year from the drop-down menu, and the dashboard instantly fills with all the relevant data. You'll get a monthly breakdown table that gives you a clear overview of your taxes, along with charts and summaries that are automatically generated. This makes it quick and easy to see your tax position without any manual calculations. Now, let's take a closer look at the client dashboard, which is fully automated just like the recent dashboards. To get started, simply select a client name from the drop-down menu, and the dashboard will instantly populate all the relevant information for that client. You'll see a quick overview of their invoice history, so you can track payments, pending invoices, and overall financial activity. It also highlights any communications or interactions that require attention, helping you stay on top of follow-ups and client engagement. On top of that, the dashboard automatically generates a client profile, giving you immediate access to all of their key details in one place. This makes it easy to manage your clients efficiently, stay organized, and have all the important information at your fingertips without any manual work. Now let's move over to the client directory, This is where you can record an unlimited number of clients as your business grows. In this tab, enter each client's details, including their contact information, address details, and their status, whether they're active or inactive. Think of this tab as your central client hub, where all client information is stored and can be accessed anytime. It helps keep everything organized, up to date, and easy to manage. This tab is also linked to other related tabs throughout the spreadsheet, so the data you enter here automatically flows across the other tabs. If you scroll to the right within the same tab, you'll find an automated client sort and filter section that's generated for you automatically. From here, you can simply choose your filter and sorting options from the drop-down menus, and all the filters are applied instantly. This makes it easy to search, sort, and find specific clients in just a few clicks, saving you time and keeping your client management smooth and efficient. Now, let's move on to the Vendors and Suppliers directory. This is where you can log and manage all your vendor and supplier information in one place. Enter each vendor's details, including contact information, address details, and their status, whether they're active or inactive. This tab is designed to handle an unlimited number of vendor entries so it can easily grow alongside your business. It's also fully synced with other related tabs in the spreadsheet, meaning any information you add or update here is automatically reflected wherever it's needed. This helps you stay organized, maintain accurate records, and manage your vendors efficiently without duplicating work. Now, let's move on to the Expense Log tab, which acts as your business expenses tracker. This is where you'll record all your business expenses in detail, including categories, vendors, dates, and amounts, using the pre-filled drop-down menus to keep everything consistent and organized. Once an expense is paid, you can simply check the Paid checkbox to keep your records up to date. At the top of the tab, you'll find a quick summary and automatically generated charts that give you an instant overview of your expenses, making it easy to monitor spending and stay in control of your business finances. Now let's move over to the Communication Log. This is where you can record all communications and interactions with clients, vendors, or anyone else related to your business. In this tab, you'll log each interaction with full details, including the type of communication, date, notes, follow-up actions, and current status. It's designed to handle an unlimited number of interactions, so you can keep a complete history as your business grows. This makes it easy to track conversations and stay on top of follow-ups. Next, let's take a look at the Quotation Log. This is where you can record all client quotations with full details, including the client, dates, amounts, and the current status of each quote. The tab is built to handle an unlimited number of quotations, so it can scale easily as your business grows. One important thing to know is that the quote numbering is fully automated. You only need to enter the first quote number, and this field is flexible. It can accept text, numbers, or any custom format you prefer. From there, the entire quote number series is generated automatically, which saves time and helps reduce duplication or numbering errors. This tab is also directly linked to the Quote Generator, which we'll walk through next, making it easy to create professional quotes straight from the data you've already entered. Now, let's move on to the Quote Generator. This is where you generate clean, professional-looking quotes for your clients. As mentioned earlier, this tab is directly linked to the Quotation Log, so the process is extremely simple. All you need to do is select the quote number from the drop-down menu, which is pre-filled from the Quotation Log. Once selected, all the related information is automatically generated, including the client details, quote items, and total amounts. Your company information is also pulled in automatically from the Setup tab you filled out earlier. To add your company logo, you can simply insert it as an image by going to Insert, Image, and upload it from your device. The quote is fully printable, and you can also export it as a PDF, making it easy to share with your clients. Next, let's move on to the Invoice Log. This is where you can record and manage an unlimited number of invoices for your business. Just like the Quotation Log, the invoice numbering is automated. You only need to enter the first invoice number, and the rest of the series will be filled in automatically. This helps save time and prevents duplicate or missing invoice numbers. In this tab, add all the necessary invoice details, including the client, invoice date, and line item information. You also have checkboxes to mark invoices as sent or canceled when needed, making it easy to track their status. You can apply taxes and discounts, and the invoice total is calculated automatically based on the data you enter. There's also space to add payment details and a due date, which makes tracking outstanding invoices easier. Also, if you scroll to the right within the same tab, you'll find an automated invoice sort and filter section. From here, you can choose your sorting and filtering options directly from the drop-down menus, as well as search by date or amount. All results are generated automatically, helping you quickly find specific invoices, clients, or any other invoicing data with ease, even as your records grow over time. The Invoice Generator tab is just like the Quote Generator. This tab allows you to create clean, professional invoices with ease. Simply select the invoice number from the drop-down menu, and all the related data is generated automatically, including client details, invoice items, taxes, discounts, totals, payment information, and due dates. The invoice layout is print-ready as well, and you can also export it as a PDF for easy sharing with your clients. Now let's move over to the Payment Tracker. This tab is fully automated and is designed to help you track all invoice payments effortlessly. At the top, simply select the year and month you want to review, and all the payment data is automatically filled in. You'll see a comprehensive payment table, along with summaries and charts that are auto-generated, giving you a clear overview of all payments and making it easy to monitor your cash flow for the selected period. Next, let's take a look at the Tasks and Deadlines tab. Here, you can log all tasks related to your business, including the task name, category, priority, and status. The tab also automatically tracks whether tasks are on time, late, or overdue, helping you stay on top of everything. At the top, you'll find global summaries and charts that are auto-generated, giving you a clear overview of all tasks at a glance and making it easy to manage deadlines efficiently. And that wraps up our complete walkthrough of the Ultimate Invoice and Client Tracker. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.